we should have thought about this. Go through the weeds, banana bike. Go through it, banana bike. You got it.
All of my good deeds, oh, living in fear, hell at my feet, heaven is out of reach. And there's a fire that I won't slay. There's a fire, but no fire brigade. Help our souls tonight, we are losing this fight. Oh, help our souls tonight. There's no one on our side who's gonna help our souls tonight. No one here to help our souls tonight. It's on me, it's on you. Who's gonna help our souls tonight? We're losing this fight. Oh, help our souls tonight.
What is going on, guys? It's Banana Bike here, but I'm not on the banana bike. I'm out of gas. I only have a little bit of gas in this thing, but I just recorded like a couple minutes of footage and that did not work out. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and ride a little bit. I hope you guys can. What the? There. Now stay going. Hopefully everything sounds better. Like, I won't have to like yell or anything. I can just talk normal because I have a mic. Let's get some wheelies going, you know. Feel like wheelie night, like. Whew. But yeah, guys, I'm still wearing the same jersey. It smells like crap. Same with the pants. Why is she chasing me? I don't want her to chase me. That's not good. Do a little scrub. I think that's my longest wheelie yet, actually. That might be. Hey! Get out of my play zone! This is my area. Yours is up there. This is all mine.
This is my area.
You want me to take you back up there?
No.
I don't want you standing over here because I could hit you.
Stand here.
Go by the rocks. What is up with my goggles? They're like sideways. They're bothering me. Oh. See if we can do a wheelie all the way up this. And I did it. What do you know? We'll hit a jump real quick. This is like a little jump I made. Do a little whip. Because why not? But yeah, guys, I'm on my 110 right now. I don't know why. It's not that fun to me anymore because I got the 250 now. But I still ride this and I don't know why. This is just fun to me. Got to show off for people. Which I have to give this thing a bath. I have to give the Suzuki a bath. I gotta get gas for the Suzuki. I gotta get gas for this. Oh my God. I need to get a job. I'm 16. I need a job. And I need my license. I still don't even have my permit yet. That's bad. Alright, we're gonna do a little bit of a longer type wheelie real quick. Which I'm gonna try and go all the way around the house. I don't know how this is gonna work. Oh, I almost just flew back. This is where I always mess up. Ah, no. It's okay, I can make up for it. Woo. Yeah. I need to come up with a name for this bike. It's still unknown to me right now because I got the banana bike and I got the avocado. And then we have the apple, which is like Honda. We have orange for KTM. And what is Husqvarna? Ah! I'm freaking out, man. I don't know what to do. Just hit the jump. Get it over with. Alright, wheelie attempt number 3. This time we're gonna go up this way. Oh, I'm falling. We're gonna continue it, act like nothing happened. The only part is, it's gonna be hard, is getting across the gravel. I'm doing it. Oh no, I hit that. No. Why won't she leave my area? Oh, I think I just hit a bird. I think I just hit a bird. Oh no. Don't tell me it's dead. Did I just hit you? Are you okay? Hey! Are you okay, buddy? Don't poop on me, I'll kill you. I almost hit him. I knew I saw something fluffy. Oh no. Not this again. We have birds flying out of trees and into my yard. I don't know what to do with him. It's just a baby. He can't even fly yet. I guess put him in here for now. And then whenever he wakes up, I'll put him back in his nest. Go in there, buddy. What do you do? Oh, you're okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I feel so bad. I think I hit him. Don't tell me I hit him. Come here, buddy. Are you gonna bite me? Huh? I think he's hungry. I don't know what to do. I'm just gonna let him chill here for a minute. Oh, what's up with the birds, man? This is the third one. I think I hit him. Here, buddy. Come on. You have to stand up. Don't lay down. I don't want you to get hurt. Shit. So, I just about killed a bird. I think. I don't know for sure, but that's the third time this has happened. We had birds falling out of trees into our pool. Well, my sister's little pool. What are you guys doing? That's the sewer, man. You guys are nasty. But anyways, I don't really, like, I'm speechless. Like, this is like the third bird this has happened to. He was just chilling right here. I thought I hit him. I might have, I don't know. But, oh my. Like I was just wheeling by and I tried to miss him. I might have clipped his wing a little bit, but I think he's okay. He just needs to recuperate. That's all. Also, guys, I have a clip of my friend hitting this rock. I mean, you can't really see it because I was standing over there and I was talking about the field and stuff because I wasn't riding, so you guys were able to hear me. But he came in, hit the jump, came in too fast, ramped the rock, I don't know how, and he flipped. I was like, bruh, what are you doing with your life? Like, out of all the times I went riding, I never once hit one of these rocks. I've clipped them, but I've never actually, like, full on hitting. Ooh, it'll be like a little speed demon through here, you know? I go fast. Oh, that hit my ass. Ow! That hurt. Enduro cross real quick. I mean, not really Enduro because I suck, but if he was able to ramp that rock, I think I can do it. All you have to do really, I don't want to touch my face with my glove because I just touched that bird, so, and my nose itches. But I think I'm gonna try it. You just have to pop it up in a wheelie and hopefully ride it out. So, but the thing is though, I'm gonna have to stop as soon as I hit that rock. Oh yes, I did it! Woo! Do that. That's what I'm talking about right there. Also, I have like a little Enduro thing right here where you just pop up the front wheel and hopefully land on the other side. Thing is, it bottoms out my bike. I don't have big enough balls yet to do it on the Suzuki. I don't have big enough balls to do anything on the Suzuki yet. Not even like big hill climbs. Like I do little ones, but that's it. But yeah, like we had the pool right there and birds were just falling out of that tree into the pool. I saved like 2 of them multiple times because I'd let them go and then they would just take off again and then they would go back into the pool. Oh, I did it! Woo! This is actually my first time ever jumping these rocks. I've never really got the, I already know I can't do this one because of the tree, but I did do that one and I did that one. But yeah, I uploaded my intro to my channel yesterday and some of my friends like were dying because like the beginning where I go banana bike, go, you got it, you got this, you did it, and they were just like really, like, I don't know why they just laughed about it. Oh my, that just scared the crap out of me. Check my front tire. All right. What the? I'm holding my front brake in, dude. What? My friend broke my brake line, I think, whenever he crashed. Which, now it's okay, because I tightened it again. I have to tighten it so much and it's annoying. Oh, my foot just hit the ground really hard right there. That did not feel good at all. I guess that's not something. Oh, see what I mean? That can happen. Oops. I had too much speed. See, that proves my point exactly. I did not expect for that to happen at all. It just did. So all I'm saying, guys, if you're out riding, don't think that you're invincible. You might get that little glimpse of purity that you are, but no one's invincible. You can't beat nature, so. Wheelie for these guys, because I'm a show off, right? I'm a show boaster. Go up like this. Hopefully she doesn't get in the way. And I just did it again! Why? Yeah.
Because it's not going to rain yet.
Why do I keep doing that, man? Man, I need to quit doing that. That really hurt. I got briars all in me. All right, we're redoing that. I'm so stupid. Why do I want to redo it? This time I'm hitting it in first gear. I turn you too much. There. Let's redo this. I'm wore out now. I will get vengeance on you. I'm gonna chop that all down, dude. Come up here, then we'll hit the big one. There we go. Oh, I'm doing it, boys. No! It still counts if I keep it up, right? Ugh. Sorry, this is like the slowest wheelie you guys have probably ever seen. Man, that hurt though. I just can't believe I actually did that again. It hurt. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. First ever moto vlog. Get out of here. All right, as I was saying, hope you guys enjoyed the video on the Yama Blue. I don't know what to call it yet. Leave name suggestions in the comment below. So yeah, I saved a bird. I'm proud of myself. So yeah, guys, that's been the video. I hope you guys